Hey guys, today me try understand tariff, and me already feel brain melt. Picture this. Caveman go city to trade banana. Good banana, ripe, no worm. Me smile, hand over banana. City man with suit and weird glowing box say, okay, but you must pay import duty. Me say, duty? Me no dirty. He say, tariff. Then he take 5 extra shiny rocks for nothing. Me scream, this not fair trade, this shiny robbery. Me chase him with banana, he call security. Me run, slip on own banana, city laugh. Now cavemen sit in mud, angry and confused. What be this tariff? Why man take shiny rocks for banana that not his? Why world no like simple trade anymore? Elder say if you no learn this, you end up cold broke and alone in mud pit. Me already halfway there. Before you sit comfy on mammoth skin, smash like button and hit magic scribe stick. But only if what me say make you smile or think. Tell caveman in comments, where your cave, what moon time. Now grab your stone seat, hold on to your beard, and let's walk into the firelight of today's hunt. So cavemen go home, sit with trade elder and ask, what be tariff? Why me get punished for banana? Elder say, tariff like extra shiny rock you must give when bring thing from faraway cave. Big chief say, you can bring axe from other land, but first give me tribute. Cavemen think hard. So tariff not about banana, it about who carry banana. Elder nod. Exactly. If banana come from own tribe, you pay normal. If from outside tribe, chief say, me want tax. So it like this. You want salt from tribe across river? Okay, they sell for 3 shiny rocks. But your chief say, wait, make it 5 shiny rocks. That extra 2 rocks? That be tariff. Chief use it to build statue of himself, or fund war drum concert, or give to cousin with failing goat soap business. Caveman still confused. Why not just trade fair? Because shiny rock hunger never full. It hit caveman hard. Tariff not just rule, it power move. It tribe way of saying, we number one, others pay toll. Caveman now look back at banana trade and realize, he no just pay extra, he get politicked. After cavemen learn what tariff mean, him walk to village square and see crowd cheer. Chief stand on big rock, yell, from today foreign yam now cost double. People clap, women dance, drummers drum. One guy even throw fire stick in air, cavemen blink. Wait, why people happy? Same yam now cost more? Neighbor grunt. Is good thing, now tribe buy from local yam man, support own soil. Caveman scratch head, but foreign yam tastes same, maybe even juicier. Why make it enemy? Neighbors say, because local yam now hero yam. No outsider steal our shiny rocks. Caveman nod slow, but inside feel fuzzy. It like someone say, you must eat only mammoth, no fish, fish too foreign. Even cave children start sing song, no to salt from far away, local spice is here to stay. Cavemen hold ears, song bad and wrong. That night, caveman sneak to taste foreign yam. Still good, still yam, but now priced like golden axe, can't afford. Cavemen realize, maybe people no cheer for tariff because it makes sense. Maybe they cheer because it feel like tribe power, like protection dance, but deep inside something stink. And it not just yam left in sun too long. Cavemen get bold idea. If big chief can make tariff and get cheers, maybe me make own tariff too. So caveman build tiny trade table outside cave. Put up sign, new tariff, all outsider tribe pay 4 shells extra, local tribe get special price, hug optional. First day, traders from honey tribe arrive, want to sell sweet comb and take back fire rocks. Cavemen say, yes, but me add small tax. Honey tribe leaders say, why tax? We trade same for 10 moons. Caveman puff chest. Now is new era. Caveman strong, protect cave economy. Honey man grumble, throw comb on ground and leave. Goat milk tribe next. Caveman do same thing. Goat milk man spit on tariff table and stomp away. By end of week, no traders come. Now no salt, no honey, no goat milk, just mountain of yams and angry wife. Wife say, you genius, you protect us so good, now we alone bloated and gassy. Even baby throw yam at caveman head, dog pee on tariff table, bird nest on it. Caveman sit alone by fire, chew dry yam and cry silent tears. He whisper, why no one warn caveman? Why no scroll say tariffs good until tribes starve? That moon, he burned tariff table for warmth. Even fire seemed disappointed. Next day, cavemen go visit wise elder whose beard so long it need own blanket. Cavemen say, me tried to use tariff, me protect tribe, now me protect empty stomach. Elder nods slow like turtle thinking. Yes, little rock head, you fall for oldest trick, tariff for protection, but protection not always protect. Caveman grunt, but me want help local yam man. Elder sigh. Tariff look like shield, but sometimes it club. He point to chief's cousin, yam merchant supreme, living in big shiny cave, eating grapes and laughing. You think tariff help whole tribe, but really it help him. Caveman eyes widen. So it know about tribe, it about favorites. Elder smile. Tariff say we protect jobs, but it no say whose job. No say that now people pay double for same thing. Cavemen look at fire. So we trade freedom for illusion of safety? Elder pat shoulder. That, and now no one want your honeycomb. Suddenly caveman remember, before tariff, people had choices. After tariff, people had excuses. He whisper, maybe me no hero, maybe me just middleman for scam. Elder hand him yam, eat this, and next time someone yell, protect local, check who they really protecting. Cavemen decide to fix things. Go to river border where trade chief from fish tribe usually sits chewing seaweed. Cavemen say, me sorry, me remove tariff, let trade be free again. Fish chief squint. Too late, you tax us first, now we tax you, no more 3 fish for 1 goat deal, now is 1 fish for 2 goat, fair? Cavemen panic. No fair, that fish robbery. Fish chief shrug, that what we call tariff war. You started, we finish. Caveman brain go boom. He stumble back to village and find banker man from shiny brick hut. Banker sipping juice made from imported fruit. Cavemen ask, what happened when tribes keep hitting each other with tariffs? Banker laugh without joy. Simple, everybody lose, things cost more, fights last long, people angry, trade die. Caveman imagine it. 2 tribes stand on each side of river yelling, my price higher, while people on both shores starve. Tariff war no like mammoth fight ends fast. Tariff war? Endless pain with no winner, just higher prices, broken trust, and lonely dinner plates. Cavemen sit down and groan, so when you punch first, you get punched back? Banker nod. Only with tariffs, the punches cost extra and come with paperwork. Cavemen think trade war is not warrior dance, is dumb dance. Caveman try new strategy, avoid all tariffs. Just buy stuff that say no extra tax. He go to shiny store, see sign, imported cave rugs, only 5 shiny rocks. Caveman jump with joy, finally, honest deal. But at Magic Stone checkout, total become 9 shiny rocks. Caveman roar, where come from 4 more rocks? Storekeeper smile, fake smile. That's import handling fee, document verification, cave cleaning charge, and moon phase surcharge. Caveman blink. You just say 4 new names for tariff. Storekeeper wink. We call it non-tariff barrier. Sounds nicer. Caveman want to bite table. He stomp home. Tell wife. Wife laugh. Oh honey, you just now realize tariffs hide like termite in cave beam. You no see until roof fall. She opened big scroll with shopping list. Sugar delay fee, foreign cow clearance, product conformity charm, surprise logistics tribute. Caveman groan. Why all things lie? Wife say, because shiny rock collectors love shadows. If they say tariff, people protest. But if they say mandatory freshness seal fee, no one notice. Cavemen realize in modern world tariff sometimes not tax, it maze. He whisper, how you fight thing that wear 20 masks? Wife smile. You learn to read fine print or get robbed with a receipt. After all drama, banana tax, yam pride, honey war, fake fees. Cavemen sit by river and think, long, quiet, beard get wet. He look at passing traders, one from goat tribe, one from metal tribe, one even from far ice cave. All carry goods, all just want fair deal. Cavemen realize trade is not bad, trade is beautiful. Trade say, me have fish, you have fire, let's both eat warm dinner. But when greedy men use shiny rock hunger to build walls and call it protection, trade becomes trap. He remember elders' words, when one cave block other cave, both sit cold and hungry. Cavemen finally see big truth. Tariffs can protect, but too much protection is prison. Tariffs can help, but too many hands in pot spoil stew. He whispered to wind, better to trade freely than fight for fake power and end with empty belly. That night, caveman take down last bit of tariff sign still stuck in mud. He bury it, and in dirt he plant new thing, trust. Maybe grow slow, maybe take many moons, but better to build bridge of stone than wall of rotten yam. Next sun, caveman walk far past burnt tariff table, past empty goat market. He reach border where Saltman used to sit. Saltman now live in small tent alone, polishing dry fish with sad face. Caveman approach slow, heart heavy. He say, me sorry, me try protect tribe, but me forget trade is tribe. Saltman grunt, you made me carry salt across 3 hills and still pay more. My donkey hates you. Caveman bow deep, me deserve donkey anger. Me come with peace, no tariff, just open hand. Saltman watch, then smile small. Okay, you bring banana? Caveman grin, best banana, no tax, no lie. They trade, they laugh, they eat salt banana combo, not bad if very hungry. Word spread, goat milk tribe return, honey tribe arrive with drums, even metal tribe send tiny spoon as gift. Trade table rebuilt, not with tax scrolls, but friendship sticks and sharing pots. Caveman stand proud, tribe cheer not for tariff but for connection. He say to crowd, don't block trade, build bridge, even if goat cross first and leave gift on it. Everyone laugh, goat poop anyway, peace restored. So what caveman learn? Tariff not just shiny rock rule. Tariff be test of wisdom. If use right, maybe protect little yam farm. If use wrong, it burn trade, starve tribe, and make goat very angry. Now cavemen walk softer, trade fairer, and question louder when big chief say, outsider goods bad, give me more shiny rocks. So next time you see banana with weird extra price, or sticker that say import duty applied, remember caveman alone in mud crying into overpriced yam. Me leave you with this, open cave, open heart, close cave, eat alone. If this story make you laugh, cry, or rethink that local versus foreign debate, smash like button with Club of Honesty, hit magic scribe stick. Share firelight with friend, and tell caveman in comments, what's one thing you paid tariff for that still hurt your soul? Caveman, thank you. Me go trade peace offering to goat now. Ooga booga.